Let's start to discuss structure disease. The first question, the following graph indicates how the developing country utilized various sources of energy for generating electricity. Look at this graph. It contains petroleum, potential energy of water. It means hydroelectricity, coal, solar energy, and wind. Those are the sources of energy utilized to produce electricity. Based on the information in the above graph, fill in the blanks in the following table. The year in which the potential energy of water has been utilized at the highest percentage. Water is this dotted line, and highly it is used in year that is 2013. Answer should be 2013. The renewable energy source utilized least, that one, it is wind energy. Next, the energy source of which utilization has increased rapidly during the time range given. Rapidly increasing one, then coal. In 2010, it is zero, but rapidly it has been increased. Then that is coal. The answer should be coal. Let's write coal. Next one, the utilization of petroleum in the year 2018. Petroleum is this 2018, it has reached to 30%. So these kind of questions are very easy. So you should not, you don't want to be prior preparation for these kind of questions from the graphs, tables, or that kind of things. You want to just get the information and fill in the blanks. The question 5, according to the above graph, what is the relationship that can be seen in the variation between the utilization of petroleum and utilization of potential energy of water? Then let's see what happened to the petroleum. Over the time, the petroleum, it is fluctuating into a different level. Then let's see hydropower, hydroelectricity. So it is also fluctuating. But when we comparing, when petroleum increases, what happened to the hydropower, hydroelectricity? It decreases. Then when petroleum decreases, hydroelectricity increases. It means when one feature decreases, another factor increases. This has a inversely proportional relationship. Inversely proportional relationship. That is the answer. Next question. In the future, which energy source indicated here should be paid great attention for generating electricity in torrid zone country like Sri Lanka? Torrid zones mean the countries near equator. So countries near equator get sunlight all over the daytime. So solar energy will be the answer. Name a source of energy which is not included in this graph but is used in some developed countries to generate electricity. So here solar, wind, coal, hydropower, and petroleum. Then nucleic energy, then tidal energy. So those are not mentioned. So we can write nuclear. Nuclear energy is produced in nuclear power plants in developed country. Nuclear energy. Other one, tidal power, geothermal power. So those are the answers you can write. You won't write only one. I have written many. Geothermal energy. Part B, a diagram of biochemical cycle is given here. What is the biochemical cycle illustrated by this diagram? So this is carbon dioxide. This is related to the carbon. So this is carbon cycle. Name the process indicated by P and Q. Carbon dioxide utilized by P and carbon dioxide released from Q. So this is a tree. So the answer P for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis utilize carbon dioxide. And Q, respiration. Respiration releases carbon dioxide. Name a substance indicated by letter A. Then after decomposition of fossilization, fossil fuels forms. Fossil fuels Then another answer, if you have written coal, it is also correct. What process indicated here occurs with the contribution of microorganisms? So microorganisms are helpful to decompose in the organic matter. So the process they contribute is decomposition. Decomposition. Next one. What is the environmental crisis caused by the atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration exceeding the optimal level? So that is what we have. What we have is today. We call that incident global warming. Global warming happens due to the increasing carbon dioxide, increasing atmospheric carbon dioxide level day by day. As a result of that, as a result of increasing that greenhouse gases, the Earth temperature is rising day by day. State unfavorable effect brought about by this crisis. Global warming, because of the global warming, many other climatic disasters happens like melting glaciers, sea level rises, floods, then tornadoes, like that. So you want to write only one, then we can write melting glaciers. Melting glaciers. Okay.